Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is SOLS RNG in Discord. So basically right here we are already in their invite link and you can get accepted right here by just searching SOLS RNG Discord. So SOLS RNG Discord, and then it will actually just pop up right here as your first link. So click that and you'll be able to go to their Discord server right here. So basically here they have a quick description of what this is. SOLS RNG is their official community for your SOLS RNG. So basically this is a game in Roblox basically. So this is the community where you will get game updates and even announcements, user communications, question and answers, community events, and rules and etiquettes. So this is supported in English, of course, your main language. And here you're open to join. And here, as you can see, this is created in December 19, 2023, and it's very, very busy like a coffee shop. So you can join this right here by just pressing this or going here and accepting the invite, and it'll redirect you to the servers where Salt RNG official community is waiting for you. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.